Hello dear traders, my name is Sylvius Benjamin and I'm here with Deep Pockets, and what we have here is Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar. Okay, we actually have a position. On this. We entered right when price reached these. When we got this rally, we waited for a correction, for a dump like this, and then we entered right after this, the closure of this green candle. We were riding this thing. We were all in this thing all the time, even up to this point. We're thinking of locking in some positions when the price reached this point here, but we didn't. Or actually, we did. I can't remember well, but I think, but basically, we're still in Euro Canadian dollar pie. We're slightly in a loss because we entered right here, and price is right now trading here. So, what we have on this currency pair? From the technical side of things, I don't really see something to plot on this chart to make you guys understand why we are long on this currency pair. But on the daily chart, you can see that we quite have a nice bottoming price action. You can see it's like curving up. This low here is higher than this one. This low here is higher than this one, and hence we could say this is a bottoming formation. But okay, this is also a low, and price is rejecting on the daily to close below here, so we could see price heading much lower. And the reason why we are also still holding on onto this pair is because if we go on the a sibling of the euro, is that you can see right, the British pound, Canadian dollar, nice one, nice daily trend line. We actually entered a new long position. We were long from somewhere here, and then we added on our position. We added on our longs from here when this touched the trend line. Okay, so let us go back to the euro. So the reason why I showed you this chart is that the British pound has found support on the Canadian dollar and is starting to push up. Hence, it's also very likely that the euro is going to start, not you, but this one. The euro is also likely to find support because, it's either the euro British pound is going to head to continue much lower, or we could see this thing also start pushing up as the British pound also found support. Okay. All right. So I don't really have much, and it's just that. Oh, okay. I didn't talk about our currency strength meter. The reason why we were long on this currency pair in the first place is because the euro reads stronger, not just slightly, but it's actually stronger than the Canadian dollar. But I wouldn't suggest you guys to get on this, to get long on this one just yet. If you want a long, but maybe yes. If you consider these lows here, and then this one here, this range here could be a nice double bottoming formation where we could just start heading low. But if you want a clean long, I don't know if you are late. If you want a clean long, this one is a clean long. Look at it from the daily perspective. This one, first touch, second touch. I expect this third touch to also just work out. Maybe on the lower time frame, maybe on a lower time frame, we could come again and test this level here. And then from there, you could have a buy limit from this level here, and then from there, we just rocket up to the upside. Okay, I'm likely not to cover British pound Canadian dollar today because I'm already covering it from this video. So yes, what I expect from you is something like maybe like this, come to test this resistance here like this, and then give us a double bottom formation, then we're gonna take out this high, something like this, maybe something like this, test, and then Canadian dollar just goes crazy as it has been going, like just going crazy. Okay. Thank you so much for this. Is a long video, but it's because it's also covering British pound, Canadian dollar. Thank you so much. Give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video, which I think is the Euro Swiss franc.